What's up, everyone? Brett here, Remax, coming to you with your June 2021 Greater Houston Real Estate Market Update. So let's recap the May numbers. Whoa, crazy. Nearly 50% jump in sales volume year over year compared to May of 2020 to May of 2021. 50% jump. I think it's 40% actually, 48%, but who's counting? What's factoring into that? Limited supply, strong buyer demand, and increased construction costs all contributed to record high prices. We all know it, we all hear it, we all see it. I have people calling me all the time asking if their 1,600 square foot home can be sold for $1 million, and I say, why not? Let's try it. Just kidding, but it's crazy out there, guys. So according to the latest HAR, Houston Association of Realtors market update, single family home sales surged 48.2%. 9,072 units sold versus 6,546 sold last year in May of 20. So that marks the greatest 1 month year-over-year sales volume increase of all time on record with the Houston Association of Realtors. 12 consecutive months of positive sales, right? On a year-to-year basis, home sales are leading 2020's record pace by a whopping 29.5%. So last year was a record. This year, year-to-date, we're 29.5% ahead of that. So what does that mean? Let's check out the segments. Homes priced from $750,000 and above, which is luxury, at least down here, right? In California, $750 will get you a shack, a shed, right, on somebody else's property. But here, $750 and above is luxury. That segment of the real estate market has led the way. May sales volume, shattering the previous measurements with a crazy 291% increase year over year. So 3 times the amount of homes, $750 and over, are being sold right now than last year at this time. Followed by the 500,000 to 750 segment. That's the second best performing segment, which is 166% increase year over year. Sorry, 500s to 750s. You're slacking. This unprecedented surge in high demand of home buying is responsible for pushing prices to record highs. It's just crazy. The average single home sales price rose 29.7%. So now $387,000 in the greater Houston area is your average price. $387,000. Crazy. Remember when it was in the twos, not very long ago. And that's the average price. Median price also increased 21.7% to $304,000. So sales of all property types total 12,100 units, the second highest volume of all time. Pending sales also has climbed 12.4%. However, total active listings, active homes, people are searching for homes actively. You're looking for homes that are available. Here's the bad news. Total number of available properties fell 40.6%, with sales still dramatically outpacing new listings, which just increased just 1.3% year over year. So 40% more, 40% less properties, right? And listings are only 1.3% more. So we have way more demand, very much more supply. Not good English, but you know what I'm saying. So inventories now held 1.4 months inventory for 3 months straight. Housing inventory nationally stands at 2.4 months supply. A healthy equilibrium market's 5 to 6 months. That's where buyers and sellers are like this. They're even. Now it's like sellers have all the power, buyers down here because there's nothing to buy. So that is the comparison between Houston and the nation, right? 1.4 months inventory in greater Houston, 2.4 is the average nationwide. So we have less supply per demand, right? Single family home average price, again, I want to reiterate this, $387,000 is now the average greater Houston, Texas sales price for properties. Wild. And for those of you who are saying that I'm leaving rentals out, I'm not. Here's something that the rental market would like to know. Single family home rentals fell 26.8%. Everybody's trying to buy, cash in on these interest rates, right? Before they go up. So 26.8% decline in the rental market, but the average rent has gone up 10.6% to a record high of $2,025. That's your average rental price for single family properties, condos, and townhomes in the greater Houston market. There you go. There's your May numbers, but we call it the June 2021 recap and greater Houston real estate market update. Thank you so much for paying attention and watching. Talk to you soon. See you next month.